Most men go through life believing they need money, looks, or charm to attract women. But what if I told you the real key to attraction lies in understanding hidden psychological triggers, weaknesses that even women may not realize they have? Women, like men, have subconscious desires and emotional vulnerabilities that shape their decisions, especially in relationships. The problem? Most men have no clue how to recognize or use them to their advantage. Today, we're diving into 5 hidden female weaknesses, psychological triggers that, once understood, will change how you interact with women forever. 1. Emotional certainty is irresistible. Women are emotional creatures, not in a way that makes them irrational, but in a way that makes emotional stability one of their greatest needs. They crave a man who provides emotional certainty, someone who remains calm, composed, and unshaken, no matter the situation. If a woman feels she has to emotionally stabilize you, the roles reverse, and she becomes the dominant one. This instantly kills attraction. Women don't want to play the role of your mother or therapist. They want a man who can handle his emotions and offer them a sense of security. Be the calm in the storm, not the one causing it. 2. Women want what they can't have. Scarcity creates value. This is a fundamental truth of human psychology, and attraction is no different. Women are subconsciously drawn to men they can't fully have. If you're too available, too eager, or too predictable, you lose value in her eyes. Why? Because she doesn't have to work for it. Women want to feel like they're earning a man's attention, not just receiving it on a silver platter. Instead of chasing, become the prize. Stay independent, maintain mystery, and never let a woman feel like she has completely figured you out. 3. A man with a mission is unstoppable. A woman's greatest weakness isn't a man's looks, money, or charm. It's his purpose. A man with a mission, whether it's building a business, mastering a skill, or pursuing a passion, becomes magnetic. Why? Because purpose creates focus, discipline, and self-respect, qualities that women find irresistible. Most men make the mistake of making a woman their mission. They prioritize her above all else, thinking it will make her happy. Ironically, this has the opposite effect. It makes them less attractive. Never put a woman above your mission. Let her be a part of your journey, not the destination. 4. Women can't resist a man who walks away. One of the deepest psychological weaknesses women have is their emotional reaction to loss. Most men, when they feel a woman pulling away, start chasing, begging, and over-explaining. This only signals desperation. The second a woman senses that you need her more than she needs you, she loses attraction. A man who can walk away without hesitation is demonstrating ultimate confidence. He's saying, "I am not desperate for you. I have options. My self-worth isn't tied to your validation." This mindset drives women crazy. If she knows you're willing to walk away, if she disrespects you, plays games, or pulls away, she will naturally value you more. It's not manipulation, it's self-respect. 5. Controlled vulnerability is a superpower. There's a fine line between healthy vulnerability and emotional weakness. Women want a man who can open up selectively, but never in a way that makes him look needy or weak. Men who overshare, seek validation, or constantly complain repel women. They want a man who can express his emotions, but only from a place of strength. The key? Control your vulnerability. Reveal parts of yourself over time, but always maintain a sense of mystery and self-assurance. Women love a man who lets them into his world, but only when he chooses to, not because he needs reassurance. Final thoughts. Attraction isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding psychology and mastering yourself. Women are drawn to men who embody strength, purpose, and self-respect. If you cultivate these qualities, you won't have to chase women. They'll chase you. Now, the question is, are you ready to become that man?